sensibility and practicality define the 2010 Ford F-150. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.